Hi guys, I'm Terry Grammar from terrygrammar.com. Today I'm going to take you through creation of your first web application using Python Django. So let's start by requirements. First of all, you have to install Python. As of me, I am using Python 3.8.5 and also install Visual Studio Code, and you also need to install Django. Maybe let's start by checking our Python if it is installed correctly. Let's go to the CMD, then write Python. Alright, as you can see right now, Python is installed, Python 3.8.5. So my Visual Studio, I also have it installed. So the other thing is we also have to enable virtual environment. So to enable virtual environment, you must be connected to the internet. Simply pip install virtual win. Alright. Requirement already satisfied. I have already installed it. So the second command I run is the virtual env. Virtual show env, right? Then I run work on env to test whether the virtual environment have been installed. So I run this command work on env. Alright, if you see this one, this env return at the back of this path, it now means that you have activated your virtual environment. So let's now go to Visual Studio Code. So I have created this folder named project where I'm going to make my first project in there. Alright. So open your Visual Studio Code. So it's just an empty folder. Go to terminal, new terminal, then go in command prompt, choose command prompt, then run, activate the virtual environment, work on env. Alright, now you need to install Django. Run pip install Django 3.2.8. As of me, I have already installed Django, so maybe I can check the Django version. I run this command python -m Django version, right, 3.2.8. So my Django is already installed. So right now I can go on and start making a new project. So to start making a new project, I just have to say Django admin start project, the name of the project, my site. Right, you can now see that there's a folder here that has been created named my site. Then I want to go inside that folder, my site. Alright, then I can create an app in that site. So to create the application, I have to say python manage.py or start up my site. Okay, if you go inside this, you can now see that there is my site up there. So I now want to run this website application that I have created. To run it, I just have to say python manage.py run server. Alright. Now my first website is now running. You can see that there is a rocket which is about to take off, which means I can now start developing my website in my own way. I can now remove all these things and put my information here. So let's get rid of this. So as for now, we can go to views. Here we want to write something on this screen, on this page here, on this home page. So let's say if for home, this one is a request, then return HTTP is the response. Then write something in here. Okay, hi, I'm Telegram. If you run this code here, it won't show because we haven't worked on with our URLs, so that this one can be shown on our page. So let's go and work on the URLs. All right, just want to copy this one, paste it here, remove this, and say include, right, include my site app, my site app dot URL. All right, so okay, select this, include here, it must be here, not this one. All right, just want to copy this code and create my own URL in here. All right, new file, URLs, this one, that's the one that I'm creating. All right, import, this one is no longer useful. All right, it's urls.py. All right, also remove this one. Then I say views dot home. Where this view come from? From Django import views dot home. And yet we haven't done. We also want to work with our settings here to make sure that the my site app is registered in the settings. So let's go to the settings and register the app. My site app. Right. You have typed it from Django import views. It's not from Django. It's from my site app import views. So if I run this, the page will show us I am Telegram. Okay, let's see. I am Telegram. So we have run our first web application using Python Django. So we will be carrying on. In the next video, we'll be modifying this page to look nicer using HTML and CSS as well as Bootstrap to make this page look more nice.